So since many of my videos have to do with biking, cycling, scootering, anything, moving down the road as you travel, getting from point A to point B, today we're going to talk about safety, specifically about helmet safety and lighting safety when you're on a bicycle, a scooter, an e-bike, whatever it is. This is a product that's going to help keep you safe, and I've been testing it out for the last couple weeks. Big shout out to Lumos for sending their smart helmet for me to check this out, but this is the Lumos Ultra Smart e-bike helmet. They have a regular Ultra version that's smart, and the e-bike helmet has this visor that the regular Ultra doesn't, and it's also rated for faster speeds because e-bikes can move a little faster than bikes with most people operating them. So real quick, let's talk about the big idea behind this helmet. Number one, this helmet has smart lights built into it. So when you turn it on, you get a headlight right up front, and on this visor you have kind of side beam lights. These are going to help you see everything in front of you. This is good for your visibility if you're on a bike that doesn't have lights or just need a little bit more projection out in front of you. This is going to help wherever you turn. You're going to have a light. That's a huge thing from in front. Anybody can see you coming, and you can see where you're going. Now, as I spin around to the back, you're also going to notice that we have two tail lights here on the back of your head. And these aren't just regular tail lights. These lights have turn signals built into them. So there's a wireless remote that pairs to this helmet that has a left and right button on it that will allow you to indicate to people behind you what direction you're going to be turning. And when it comes to movement safety, not just a bicycle, but when you're running or maybe even walking, telling people where you are and where you're going in the dark is going to help you avoid accidents. So this helmet provides you with an ultra safe environment to do that in pretty much any situation. You can tell people, here I am and here's where I'm going. Please don't hit me if you're in a car, which is the main idea. Now, the other thing you can do is you can pair these little Firefly Mini Lights that Lumos also has and put them on your bikes, your backpack, whatever you have to kind of sync up to this helmet. So you can assign the left and the right side of these lights to be extra turn signals. You can put two on the front as tail lights. You can put two on the front as headlights. You can get multiple different kinds and pair them all through their app. And Lumos has a really cool app that allows you to basically pair all the little lights and devices that you have with your helmet and remote so that you can sync them up. And when you hit the right turn signal, it's going to light up the front, the back, and the helmet at the same time. And you can assign different locations to these lights. It's a really cool integrated system. And it didn't take me that long to figure out. So I really would recommend kind of pairing this with the Firefly Mini if you're going to get a smart helmet and put it on your bike. Now, real quickly, let's talk about this as a bike helmet, because it doesn't matter if the features are smart and cool if it's not going to protect you along the way. So first and foremost, it's a really comfortable helmet. You've noticed I've been wearing it this entire video, and it's not shaking around on my head because they have a really nice adjustment system. And this is nothing really uncommon in the bike helmet world. When you get a nice helmet, you would expect this kind of adjustment here in the back, but it's really smooth, allows you to get really tight and just keep it on your head where you want it, when you want it. We've already talked about the visor system in the front. That's not something that I personally use on a lot of bike helmets. I've seen them on several, I've tried them out, and they just seem to get in my way most of the time. But I do like that this visor has these side lights on here that's going to give you some extra side visibility, so that may be something that you're interested in. And I love this chin strap. I've not seen a chin strap like this on any other bike helmet, and it just kind of helps you avoid that pinch that sometimes you might get on your throat or your neck or maybe your beard hair if you're like me. It's got this magnetic system that doesn't go straight together. It comes in at an angle and it just clips together, magnetizes really easily. It's easy to get on, easy to get off, but it's secure when it's on there. It's not going to come apart, and it's really comfortable. Let's also talk about the inside of this helmet, because they have two different versions. There's a MIPS version and a regular version. And basically this is the MIPS version. It just allows your head to stay more secure in a crash situation so the helmet doesn't roll. I'd highly recommend getting a MIPS version of this helmet if you're going to get one. Just keeps you safer along the way, and that's a certification that is really important. And there's one other accessory that comes with this helmet that I want to talk about really quick that I think you should look into if you like riding on the shoulder seasons in the spring and fall, and maybe even in the winter when the roads and sidewalks are clear. So hold on a second. I'm a 1940s football player. No, this is actually a winter kind of toboggan sleeve that goes inside your helmet. So let me show you how it looks inside the helmet. All I'm gonna do is loosen my helmet because obviously my head's grown a little bit since I've put this kind of sleeve on top. Place this on top, and each side has, if you can see this ear piece right here, it's got a little sleeve for your chin strap to go down in. So you just feed them in here like this. And there you go. You might have to adjust your chin strap. My chin strap's a little tighter than it was. And then you can tighten up in the back. But I'm gonna tell you, I took this out on a few rides. It's currently about 2 degrees where I live in Ohio, and it really does help. It's got these nice pads around the underside of your ear that keeps the air from getting up under there. This is not something I've ever seen in a helmet. I've seen liners that stay up here, but nothing that comes down over your ears like this and stays in place with this strapping. That's something that I really appreciate because I like to be out there during the shoulder season when it's still bearable to ride a bike. If you can put on a nice coat and a pair of gloves, this really helps you to do that. So make sure you check out this kind of winter toboggan shield that goes under the Lumos helmet. It's integrated. It all looks beautiful and nice. And I think it's going to be something that makes this helmet a lot more usable year round for you. So if you're looking for more than just a helmet with smart features, if you're looking for an entire ecosystem of products to help keep you warm in the winter, safe in the summer in the dark situations, you got headlights, you got taillights, you got turn signals, you got parable lights, put them all over your bike, your backpack, yourself, whatever you want to do. This entire ecosystem is really cool and I think really practical. And if you're going to get out there, just be safe whatever you're doing. So check it out for yourself. The Lumos Ultra Smart Helmet and accessories are all out there for you.